Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to edit the goal for the steps and other stuff like calories and stuff like that on this watch. To edit the goals on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Garmin Connect. In the app, you should see the home page. Once you see it, tap on More, then tap on Activities, and here you can find, for example, Steps. And once you're in Steps, tap on More Options icon right here, tap on Edit Goal, and here you can edit the goal to your liking. For example, I'm gonna make it 8,000 steps. And then we can save it and the goal updated. So if you open the glances on your watch, go to your watch, it's not updated yet. So what we need to do, and we need to go back and sync our watch with our phone by tapping on this icon right here. And once it syncs, the goal will be updated. And you can, I believe you also update the goal for the floors. So you can tap on Edit Goal. And also the intensity minutes. Oh, like this. Or at least it needs to be at least 150. Okay, so 155. How about this? I don't think we can change the goals for the calories, but let's check. So instead of activities, tap on Health Stats, Calories. Yeah, no goals for calories, so we can change that. And of course, once you change the goals, you will need to resync the watch again to update them. And once you're done, it should be okay. And that's how you change the goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.